Ready for the dictation? Start. Sir, the farmer needs more assistance and help from the government. More subsidies should be provided for fertilizers, seeds, etc., so that the farmer can become self sufficient and produce more. Backward and remote villages should be identified and funds should be allocated for their upliftment. There was a proposal for an aluminium project in Vishakhapatnam. Sir, if started, it could create employment for at least 10,000 people. Through you, sir, I request the government to consider favorably the setting up of this project. Sir, I am happy that the price of gold has come down in the market, but then the prices of essential commodities are increasing day by day, affecting the common man. We should try to control this price hike. The government has introduced public distribution system in 1700 blocks of our country and has been laying great emphasis on its proper implementation. This is an appreciable step, sir, whether it is MGR or NTR, whoever may be in power should see that basic requirements of every individual are met fully. Rice and sugar are not the only needs of the common man. Food, clothing, and shelter should be provided to the common man. If more funds are required to fulfill this, the government should make a provision for it. We should improve the condition of those who are living below the poverty line. Our aim is the betterment of the poor, so more funds should be allocated for this purpose. Rural industries should be developed. The employment schemes should not remain on paper alone. Think of the khadi industry. The handlooms weavers are committing suicide for lack of any source of livelihood. It is really a tragedy. Something should be done about this. Once there was a great demand for handloom cloth, but now people are crazy after the imported materials. The center and the state governments should do their best to encourage khadi industry, and if need be should not hesitate even to give financial assistance. Subsidies should be given to them, and marketing should be done through Janta distribution system. Both khadi industry and agriculture are important for the rural population. So, if these are encouraged and proper irrigation facilities are provided, the unemployment problem will be solved to a great extent. Sir, government has taken steps to convert 6,000 kilometers of railways lines from meter gauge to broad gauge. This will solve the problem permanently and alongside create more employment opportunities. Such steps are encouraging. More rural development schemes should be introduced and funds should be allocated. Therefore, otherwise, poverty will increase and the rich will be beneficiaries. सो गाइज ये थी हमारी डिक्टेशन नंबर फर्स्ट वॉल्यूम नंबर 4। सो अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। धन्यवाद।